Have you ever heard about this type of statements? Arey, పిల్లల ఫీజులు కట్టాలి, అమ్మాయి పెళ్లి ఉంది, so this property, my daughter's marriage is there, this property I require to sell, I require to sell this property, okay, is required for me, so then only I can do that, even a bit less price also no problem for me, I'm ready to sell. Have you ever experienced or saw these type of situations in your day-to-day life?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiple times.
Yeah.
Multiple times.
Yes.
Okay, so where is the problem? Even he is ready to sell with the loss also. Where is the problem? Because he has the pressure. Because he is not having the required funds. Okay, he is not having required funds. That's why even at loss also no problem for me. First sell and I have to get on from this situation. That makes it. There is one of my very close friend is there named with Prabhakar Sir. Almost his age is almost 60 plus, 65, 70 around. In the real estate, he was there. Just I connected with him through real estate deals. He told his earlier situation is too good. He was the builder, he was the real estate owner of the ventures and so on. But his situation is too worst current. Then I asked why this problem is coming. Why this problem is coming? Like, so a bitter, big hit happened in his business journey. He was not in a position to come out from that. Next, he borrowed the money from somewhere. Next, because of their pressure, what that person did is 4 rupees property, he sold at 2 rupees only. Because those people are not in a position to wait. 4 rupees property, he sold at 2 rupees only. 2 rupees only. Can you please imagine how much loss to that person? That's why always keep emergency funds. Mandatory. I told right, at least 10% every day. Better to maintain that 10%, okay, for emergency fund at least for 6 months. And by keeping that emergency fund 6 months, then you can think about investments kind of thing. So 6 months emergency fund must be required. Then only you will stay healthy.